we are again, round 2 for camping. All right, so we're doing the same state park, but in a different campground. They got 2, only one's open during the off season, right? So last time we were in campground 1, this side we're in campground 2. So we'll see how it goes. Campsite's a little different. I'll show you guys what it's looking like. So here it is. Got the electrical box there. Obviously it's still snowy, but down there, we're probably gonna put our tent there. Got the fire. That's probably gonna be where we're chilling. I guess I could probably set it there on the snow, but I don't really want to. Probably just do it right there. So let's unpack. So last camping trip, we didn't have a sleeping bag or a sleeping pad, right? So I kind of just slept on the concrete. So today, got some cheap Walmart stuff. Just a nice little sleeping pad, folding sleeping pad. And a nice sleeping bag, 35 degrees. So, I mean, I'm gonna have to layer up with blankets. So some extra things I brought: kettle, because we're gonna need boiling water for our meal. A little mini stove just to keep the ambience up, keep the light, maybe keep the warmth up a little bit. And a ton of water. Wood pellets for the stove. A hammer for nailing stuff in, and paper towels, keeping clean. And 1, 2, 3, 4 things of water. And 1 Slim Jim. So I made a short about this. I didn't talk about it. I kind of just showed it and it working. It's kind of like a solo stove. It basically is a solo stove. Just a cheaper version of a solo stove. So all you need, I put this in first, because it kind of just catches the ash, right? And then you can just pick that up and throw it out. And all you do is throw this in, get you another angle so you can see. And all you do is take the pellets, put them in there. I'm not gonna use a whole bag because I want to keep some for tonight. Take fire starter to make it easy. We'll just do 1, I guess. And we'll find a lighter. All right, so Reinforcements brought me the lighter so I can show you guys how to do this. This lighter stinks. And then the wind comes through here, pushes it out. Got a little mini campfire. All right, time for the new segment, ripping basketball cards. Got these at Walmart. And I got all the other stuff. I see a king. We're gonna rapid fire these. Mark Williams. Ooh, who is this? Ooh, that's a nice Russ card. He's having a good season. Ooh, Dalen Terry, Chicago. That's a nice card, actually. I like that. Don't know who he is. And a high flyer, frequent flyer, LeBron James. I'll show you guys what we got for dinner. Mountain House chili mac with beef. Looks pretty good. 24 grams of protein. So excited about that. So I'm just gonna hang out here, relax, enjoy the sunset. All right, so I've decided, instead of being in a tent, because I don't know where to set up here, we're gonna do some car camping. So I got the pad, I got my pillow, I'm gonna roll this out and we'll see how this looks, all right? Just like that, bed is made. So, let's do a little trial run, show you guys how it is. Take off the shoes at the entrance. All right, climbing. I'm 6'4", okay? Feet are barely touching. Look at that. That is not bad. Fix that. That is not bad. Look at all the space I got. I'm sleeping straight down. All the views I got. Life could be worse. So for that meal, we need some boiling water. So I brought the kettle. I'm gonna try to put it to the side so it doesn't burn. See how that works. We're gonna try, the lighter died, so I need fire from here to there, okay? I can't pick this up because it gets too hot. So we're gonna start with the first phase of testing, which I don't think this is gonna work. It might though. This is how forest fires are started, ladies and gentlemen. Fire. Let there be fire. So now maybe that'll start up. Hopefully this will start getting warm. And we have food. Well, I have my meal. McDonald's was consumed today. Time to see what this looks like inside. All right, we're gonna try this. Just as we open up on the seams, take out this little packet and put a cup and a half in here. Well, I didn't measure, so we're just pouring. That's enough. Appetizing. All right, 5 minutes is up. Now we gotta open it, stir it one last time. All right, time to try this puppy out. Ooh, it's steaming. Sneak peek, sneak peek. 9.7 out of 10. You want to try it?
No.
All right, so it's getting dark out and the bed's calling. So I'm gonna show you how I get in and then I'll see you in the morning. Just like that. We're here, playing my favorite game on the Switch right now, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Today was supposed to be a tent camp, but the site is so unleveled and I didn't really like the setup, so that's why we're in the car. You know, we got the, there we go, got it all. I can fully stretch out, it's not bad. We got the little night light. Shout out to my girlfriend. Bang, little dumpling. And so it worked out. Definitely worked out. I can't complain. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Well, I've been up for a little bit. I don't even know if you guys could see that. Oh, it's 7:38. The car is on and warming up as we speak. My plan is to drive you guys around the park and show you the main attraction of the park. But yeah, let's go warm up. Just like that. That's how you pack up camp, just like that. So I didn't know this, but I guess they're redoing this. This was all beach. There was a volleyball net here. And this was like the beach house with bathrooms and everything. It's all knocked down. But yeah, this lake goes on over there and it continues down there. Even got little cabins. Can't really see, there's a couple back there through the dirty windows. If you guys enjoy this kind of thing, I'm gonna start hiking and camping way more once it starts actually warming up. Let's see what the weather is right now. Yeah, right now it's 29, so it's not that bad, but it's pretty bad. So once it gets a little warmer, I'll be doing a lot more of this stuff. Let's go home and get some coffee. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along on the camping trip. All right, there's gonna be more to come, and I'm excited for the weather to start warming up, all right? So thanks again. I'll see you next time. And he says bye.